Hey vlog, welcome back to my channel. I look absolutely crazy. I have no idea where my tripod is. Could not tell you. Hi, welcome back. If y'all are new here, my name is Caroline. You should totally subscribe, join the man fam. It's a party over here. I'm currently doing my makeup. I was like in the middle of doing it and then I thought to myself, why am I not filming right now? Hello, I could be making a video today. There's a couple things that I have to do around the house, lots of changes. In my last Going Solo Diaries episode, y'all saw that my couch and bed got delivered. So today I am gonna show y'all even more of what's been going on here, because yesterday my clothing rack that I ordered came in. I was crying on the floor for 35 minutes because it was impossible to put together unless I had, what are those called? Like, is it not like a drill, like the electric drill. My dad got me one whenever he was here, so I used that and put it together, but there's still like one screw that I didn't put in because I can't get it in. But today I'm gonna actually put clothes on the rack. I bought some hangers yesterday for it and I'm really excited. It's super cute. Side note, this is the best mascara ever. And if this doesn't convince you to get it, then I don't know what will. This is without mascara, this is with mascara. Isn't that crazy? Let me tell y'all what's been new. Last night I had a girls' night with my friends. So there's 4 of us and 2 of them live in an apartment. The other one lives on campus and then obviously I live here. We went to the 2 girls' apartment, had a girls' night, played lots of games. I went to Crumble and brought some, and then I literally got cut off on the road by this MF and it fell on the ground. I was crying for 10 minutes. I scraped off all the icky stuff on it and we ate it because 5-second rule, y'all. But yeah, that was tragic. That was really good. I had a hard time waking up this morning though. But then we went to Starbucks. I got my pumpkin cold brew and here I am doing my makeup. It's been a really, really good week. Today is Sunday though, and because I woke up late, I missed church. But thankfully there's a 5 o'clock church service, so I'll probably go to that one. Oh my goodness, this mascara is actually insane. Holy cow. There's a couple things that I need to do around the house, like cleaning wise. And I think later tonight, I will make my way over to the rec center on campus and get in a little workout. Yesterday, before we did girls' night, I did lots of shopping and there's things upstairs that I'm gonna show y'all. But one of the things that I got is a gorgeous roll of white lace. I love putting ribbon and lace in my hair. It is just the most fun thing ever. I'm not gonna put any lip liner on today, so I think I'm just gonna wear, oh wait. Okay, Glossier sent over a PR package when I came home with their new flavor of Bomb.com. It's the Swiss Miss Bomb.com. They just came out with it and I wanted to try it out in this video, so this is perfect. Y'all know Glossier is one of my favorite brands. Been using them for forever. I love their Glossier Powder Powder. I love their skin tint. Look at this. It's even like destroyed on the outside because I use it so much. Everything Glossier, I love. And when they sent over the cutest PR package with this little canteen and hot cocoa mix, oh, shut up, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I just fell in love. Oh my gosh, and it's dark. Okay, so it's kind of got a little bit of a tint to it. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. Are you kidding me? It's literally like chocolate. Makeup is done. I am going to be putting this in my purse because I need this with me at all times. I was thinking about, what the ew, oh my gosh, I just looked down and look at all that dust. I'm about to vomit. We need to clean today. This is absurd. Also, if y'all don't own a pair of Aritzia sweatpants, You need to. Oh, don't look at the dogs. I gotta go put on my slippers. Yesterday, I printed out a bunch of pictures from Walgreens. I'm planning out my photo wall, but I realized that I didn't have enough frames, so I ordered 6 more frames so that it'll be 4x4. And what I'm thinking is putting them all on this wall right outside my room. So 4 across, 4 down, and vice versa. So 16 pictures in total. Right now I'm kind of just trying to figure out the order and spacing that I want to put them in. And then there are obviously still gaps that I need to get and print more pictures and then wait till the frames arrive. But the clothing rack, I really am excited for this because look at how dainty and cute this is. So today's goal, we are going to fill up the rack with clothing items that scream fall. But yeah, this was a pain to build. Amazon was scamming me, you guys. It had the best reviews, but it was the most terrible thing to put together. I'm obsessed with the bomb.com color. In other words, another thing that arrived was my Halloween costume. So like I mentioned, I'm doing Top Gun with Drew. I'm gonna go to CSU and we're gonna spend Halloween together, but my costume finally came and I think I'm gonna try it on today. I really hope it fits because I already broke down the box and everything for recycle day, but I think it should. I don't know, it says it's a small. There was nothing smaller than that, so we just gotta pray. From Home Goods, I got this white basket. So cute. I just need to put my blankets in there, which I will do today in this vlog. Another thing I got is this pillow. It says thankful. I wanted more fall stuff, so this is perfect. And then I also got this really cute velvet blanket in this like brown copper color. So gorgeous. And that's pretty much all that's new. I'm gonna put on my slippers right now because my feet are freezing. I alternate between my smiley face ones and then my Uggs because I just can't choose. They're so cute. Clothes are all hung up. I'm obsessed. I feel like the color scheme that I've got going on is totally fall. Love. I think I might put the rest of these hangers though in my closet because I kind of don't like them just hanging there. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Stop. Down here there's kind of a place to put shoes, things like that. So I think I'm gonna grab some of my fall boots and put them there. So this is my collection of blankets that I have right now, and what I'm thinking is I obviously want to put this one out during Christmas, so I'm not going to put that one in my basket, but I've got this Barefoot Dreams one, which can definitely go in here. I feel like this is only going to fit 2 blankets, to be honest, which I'm totally okay with that. So Barefoot Dreams, and then I think I'm going to put my Glossier one as well, because this one is just such a cutie. This closet is an absolute mess. I've got so many random things in here. I just cleared out a lot of my PR stuff and gave it away to people who would definitely find good use with it. And then all my candles are over here. I've got my little box, my Drew box, which has all of our letters to each other. These are the last 4 items that are available on my Poshmark, so if y'all want to snatch those, my Poshmark is in the description. I think I'm gonna display my purse on my rack. My room is an absolute mess right now. This is just hilarious. I do need to figure out what I want to put on these shelves because right now there's just kind of no organization. Like I've got Cam the Ram, which is from Drew, it's CSU. All these bubble candles, which I know I'm keeping. These are the cutest freaking things ever. Biblical stuff. My mom left her cross here when she came to visit. A cup which has water in it. This candle. This one looks kind of cute because there's actual books here. And then my perfume's just kind of scattered. So I think I might also try to dress this up a little bit. I've got some cowgirl boots that I want to put on here. Put on this cute little cardigan from Target. Also, if y'all have not seen Target's clothing section, they released a new fall line and it is phenomenal. I decorated my shelves and I'm really happy with how they look right now. Nothing is set in stone, so I can always change it, but I really like it. Now I gotta move my stool back because I'm literally so short. Currently making lunch right now. I've got some leftover ground beef, rice, beans, all mixed up, and I don't have any more tortillas, but I'm gonna like make it into a salad sort of deal. I'm just gonna heat this up. This is what it looks like. It's honestly a big mess of yumminess. So I'm gonna heat this up. And then once that's done microwaving, I'm gonna add this cheese and then some romaine lettuce. Also, how cute is this canteen that Glossier sent? I'm obsessed with it. It is just so cute. Hell yeah, look at this. This is what I'm talking about. I'm on FaceTime with Drew right now. I'm gonna curl my hair and get ready for church because I have church and my hair takes like an hour, so.
Love the lashes.
You like the lashes?
Yes.
So I'm gonna be using this before I do my hair. This is the Day Cactus Flower Leave-In Conditioner, and you can also put this in your hair before you apply heat. So I'm gonna spray some. My hair has literally never been this soft in my life.
Really?
Yes. I've never used this before.
Weekend before Thanksgiving, are you free?
I am, man. That works. Yeah, I'm down. Y'all could have told me that when I was dating. No, that's a much better idea. No, I'll...
Oh yeah.
To the grocery store.
We got these pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls. They are so good.